Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your page margin in Affinity. So if you want to use margin in Affinity, this is super easy to do. Once you're inside your design or you're outside and ready to start a new document, you will be able to see the options on the right hand side. Now, I'm going to show you within a document, but it looks similar when you're creating a brand new document to get started with. You will see basically the same options there and you can do the same changes. So inside a document, go ahead and click on documents on the upper left hand side and go down to where it says setup and click on document setup, right? And from here, you will be able to see options. So you want to scroll down towards the bottom and you will find margin. You first need to turn this on and then you have the option to set your margin. So right here, you can set it to whatever you want. So let's say you want to set it to 5 all across the board. I'm going to go ahead and press Control C to copy this and just kind of ensure that it's set. Right, so once you set it, you can go ahead and click on OK, and you can see right there within my new document that the margin is now set to 5 millimeter on all the sides. And that's pretty much it.